Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's going to be a quick video. Could be a little bit of experimentation. Not sure. Wasn't getting a lot of great content on how to do this. So we're going to figure it out ourselves. I don't want this vinyl top on here anymore, especially with winter coming. The car's been through enough. Let's try to get this vinyl off. Let's get all the other crap off of it. Let's probably sand it, primer it, whatever we need to do. I don't want it on there. I don't want it to rot any further than it probably already has. But let's dig in, see what condition she's in. Alright, so it's windy, so I apologize. I'm hoping that this microphone helps you hear me. We're still getting used to it. This thing is already pretty rotten. I'm going to try using a paint scraper. Maybe I can come in at a decent angle. I don't know. This might work. Let me get you in a little closer. This is just what I pictured myself doing as an adult. Now I'll have to remove this trim later. My dad just bought a tool for that, so like any good son, I'll go borrow it. Then I'll forget to bring it back and he'll have to ask me if he can borrow his own tool. Well, this is not going near as bad as I thought it was going to. And I'm not seeing near the problems I thought I would. So I'm hoping we can get all this off, and then I'm hoping that we can take the contour sander with a real fine drum, sand it, toss a coat of primer on here.
Okay, so this is exactly why these vinyl tops are bad. Now this isn't that bad. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen worse. Most of the channel actually looks okay, which is good. I haven't found anything here or anywhere else yet, but we got a long way to go. Thus far, from what I've seen, the front window channel looks okay, but like I said, we got a long way to go.
Alright guys, so now you've seen us remove the vinyl top from our 68 Ventura. Got a little bit of rust concerns in a few spots, but overall not bad. Why is it not bad? Because we got to it soon enough. Trust me, if you've got one of these on here and it starts looking weather checked like that one was, water is in it. That water will sit there, it will rot, and it will destroy parts of your car that are very difficult to replace. So, get the vinyl top off, fix everything. If you love vinyl tops, replace the vinyl top. But my preference, we're going to fix this, sand it, prime it, paint it. And as always, thanks for tuning in to Dented Dreams Garage. We're always working on projects, whether it's engines, whether it's the Shetland, the El Camino, the Ventura, the truck, a small block, a big block, now body work. We're always doing something. So, again, like and subscribe. If you like what we're doing, give us a subscription. We'll keep doing more of it. Leave us a comment. Let us know what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong, what you'd like to see more of. Let us know what you'd like to see on the channel. I mean, we'd love to go after it all. I just need a little direction. Thanks for watching, guys.